Good morning. Welcome to your 15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy conditions across the region this morning. Seeing a few showers over the Chesapeake Bay, and taking a look at the radar, you can see a brief shower near Crisfield this morning. And seeing a weak convergence boundary right along the western portion of the Chesapeake Bay this morning, and seeing some showers develop along that boundary and remain over that area this morning. Going to see a slight chance of a brief rain shower this morning across Wallops, and then we'll see a slightly better chance of a shower or thunderstorm popping up along the Route 13 corridor for this afternoon. So could see a shower or thunderstorm near Wallops for this afternoon. Otherwise, looking at just some humid and warm conditions today, we'll have this, as I mentioned, weak boundary moving through the region, and that's going to give us those warm and humid conditions today. And we'll see more southeasterly southerly flow today off the water. We'll see this area of rainfall, tropical rainfall, associated with the remnants or tropical depression Fred moving through the Appalachians today and into the Mid-Atlantic tomorrow. And that's going to give us a chance of some rainfall for late Wednesday into Thursday. Taking a look at our current observation, we have a few clouds around 700 feet. The scattered deck at 1,100 feet, broken deck at 25,000 feet, southeasterly winds of 7 knots, temperature 78 degrees, and relative humidity at 93%. So taking a look at a risk chart for today, you can see we have that chance of a shower or thunderstorm for this afternoon popping up. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see that weak convergence boundary, or that warm front as highlighted by the WPC, that's going to be possibly moving through the region for this afternoon, giving us a chance of that pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Otherwise, most of the cloud cover today is, and the abundance of cloud cover is north and west of our area this morning. Taking a look at our current camera shot, you can see that shower across Chesapeake Bay, a little bit higher cumulus top there, and some pretty conditions out there overall this morning. And taking a look at the HERM model for today, you can see those showers west of our area, and then seeing some pop-up showers for this afternoon, especially once we get past noon until about 4 o'clock this afternoon or this evening. And then moving through the overnight hours, we'll see the remnants of Fred moving through the Appalachians, and we'll see possibility of some showers, mainly west of the region overnight. Very slight chance we see a sprinkle at Wallops, but overall, most of this tropical moisture with Fred's going to move west of our region. And we're just going to see the best chance of rainfall for Wednesday night into Thursday. And still, that doesn't look like a very high chance from what the models are showing this morning. Taking a look at our overnight low, around 76 degrees. So a humid day and night tonight. Southeasterly to southerly winds, fairly light, peaking around 7-12 knots this afternoon, then calming to 5-10 knots overnight. We'll have a slight chance of some low clouds or patchy fog overnight with those light south winds, as well as the very humid conditions. Overall, most likely would be above 500 feet. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we've got a slight chance of rain shower until 10 o'clock this morning, under 15%, and only expecting that mainly west of the area, as I mentioned, looking at the radar. And then afternoon today, we'll see some ceilings around 3,000 feet with a 25% chance of a thunderstorm and a chance of shower as well. And that'll run until 1,600 local. And then after 1,600 local, we should see VFR conditions through tomorrow morning. Slight chance, as I mentioned, we do have that lower level ceiling or lower visibility with some fog or low clouds overnight, but that would be very patchy across the region. Our tides are currently slightly above normal. And looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday partly to mostly cloudy, humid, and breezy. Slight chance of a shower, thunderstorm in the afternoon, evening, a high of 85 degrees. Still going with a green here for our precipitation and lightning for Wednesday. Looks like the timing of those showers should be after 0Z on Thursday or 8 p.m. Wednesday evening, with only a very slight chance of, or a slight chance, I should say, of a shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon hours on Wednesday. Most likely won't occur. We'll see a stronger southeasterly flow as the remnants of Fred moves through the Appalachians, and that'll give us some winds gusting near 22 to 23 knots in the afternoon, so can't rule out seeing winds at 25 knots. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy to overcast, with a chance of showers and a slight chance of a bad thunderstorm, a low of 76 degrees. Seeing our best chance of rainfall during this time period. Looking like those chances will be around 30 to 40% of rainfall, thunderstorm chances at 20%, and seeing a possibility of some lower ceilings with that tropical moisture moving through the area for Wednesday night. And then Thursday, mostly cloudy, slight chance of a lingering shower early, then partly cloudy, hot, humid, with a slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. We'll see a high of 88 degrees. That yellow here highlighting the morning hours. Looking at the slight chances of showers and thunderstorms would be during the afternoon, evening, below 15% as well. Very similar type setup for Wednesday. Will be hotter on Thursday, however, with more of a southwesterly to westerly flow for the morning into the early afternoon hours. That will allow us to see our temperatures really warm up into the upper 80s with humid conditions continuing. So could see those heat indices, near 100 degrees for Thursday afternoon. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock, we'll look at the next 7 days.